So now we'll discuss the piriformis release on the foam roller. So Gentry's going to start with her sits bones, that's the bony part of your bottom, right on the foam roller, and she's just going to prime the area by rolling to the sacrum, which is her tailbone, and then back. Over and back. She'll do this 3 or 4 times. For purposes of today, we'll stick with 3. Now from here, she's going to roll back to her sacrum, and then rest her hands on the ground behind her. She'll take her right leg and cross it over at the ankle over her left knee and put her right foot in flexion to protect the lateral side of her knee here. Now she's going to release her right leg down to the roller and bring it back, and she'll do that 3 times just to give the muscle a little cross friction to open it up. The piriformis is deep underneath the glute, so it's going to take a few passes to do that. She's going to then hold it down, and now she'll roll that same area over and back 3 to 4 times, and then she'll come back to center and repeat that 2 more times. Now most of us have pretty tight piriformises, so for most of us it's going to take 3 or 4 passes to really start feeling the deep tissue massage that you get from a foam roller. And some of us have really tight muscles, or we need to have a little bit more pressure, so we use a ball for this technique, a lacrosse ball or a trigger point ball, and you can look up our videos on lacrosse and trigger point ball therapy to get to that video too. So she's going to finish up here. She'll then straighten her left leg and sit forward on her sits bone. She's going to roll back so she's nice and secure, and now she's just going to gently hug her right leg into her chest to stretch that area we just released. Do you feel a stretch there? Good. Excellent. So that's our piriformis release.